we should be live right now. This is Dr. Nancy Lee. Let me see. We are live on YouTube and LinkedIn. If you can see me live, please comment on the chat. What's your name, where you're from, and what's your goal for 2023. And let me go here, double check we are live or not. Yes, I believe we're live. Okay, if you see me live, say hi in the chat. And yeah, I see YouTube is live. Anybody on LinkedIn, comment hi on the chat and tell me what's your name, where you're from, what's your goal for 2023. Let me confirm LinkedIn is live and I should be able to see everyone's comment. One sec. Yes, we're live on LinkedIn as well. Awesome. Okay, great. Let me see. Michelle, hello on LinkedIn. And so today we will cover free resume review. That's mainly for people who already attended masterclass. We prioritize these people. People join me live on Zoom right now. And let me do a quick check-in to see who else is live with me. We have Joseph, Ragu, Toyo, and Hao and Cindy with me on Zoom. Okay, let me see who else is here on LinkedIn. Eileen and Ryan, Michelle. Your goal is to land a higher paying position. This is a great goal. I love this. Great, cool. Let me see who else is on YouTube. Nandini, how are you? Xiao Dream, and you emailed me a CV already. Awesome. Okay, great, cool. Okay, so now let's get started. We have lots of people lined up already. Awesome. So, hi guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee, a director of product featured in Forbes. I've helped 100 people land their dream PM job offer in FAANG companies and unicorn startup and continue to get promoted as a product leader. If you're interested in product management course, and go to drnancylee.com to learn more. We will have end-to-end training program for different packages for different people in different stages of their career as well, all the way from entry level to director product level. Okay, great. So now, let's go through today's agenda. Let me bring up my slides. So people know what to do. Okay, let me share my slides here. Okay, today we do live resume review. I'm going to share you guys a specific information where you can send me your resume and how it works. Okay, so let's get started. And first of all, I do want to show some inspiring story for our student Kevin, because it's going to inspire most of you guys to achieve your dream job offer. Because Kevin was just a software engineer, like some of you guys out there who are software engineer really hated their job because there's very limited customer interactions, and he also felt like he loves product to really create something more meaningful for others. And now he became a product manager at Visa. He just started his new job, and guess what? He at Visa as a product manager is getting paid higher than his software engineering job. So very, very exciting. I believe all of you guys can do the same as well. He took 3 strategies, and number 1, Kevin learned everything end-to-end about product management, because to be frank, you cannot fake until you make it, because you're getting fired for sure in your new job. Job market is already very competitive, full of laid off PMs. If you don't do well, people can easily replace you. So it's more important you guys learn end-to-end what is product management, especially for people who doesn't have PM experience. Second strategy she used is he actually created very comprehensive product portfolio for the jobs he applied for and demonstrate his skills. So people are just very impressed by his product portfolio and make it much easier for them to make decision regarding this is the right hire for the team. And finally, of course, he knew how to negotiate salary. We teach our students what the range of different levels and with different company, what he should expect and what to talk about. So once you ace the interview, we know what's the best way to push your salary to next level. He's even getting paid higher than a software engineer in Visa. This is very exciting. I believe all of you guys can do the same as well. So that's why step number one to achieve the goal, like Kevin, is to directly do your resume correctly. Okay, so now let's go through the process of how to get free resume review. For people who is already in Zoom, I believe you already reached out to my team. So here is what you do. Okay, so everyone email your resume to my email right now, nancy@drnancy.com. Okay, let me make sure people can see the screen. Okay, email at nancy.nancy.com. And if you emailed it earlier, my team will send you Zoom information so you can join me on Zoom as well. We do have like 8 people on Zoom right now, but right now everyone on Zoom and including people live with us on social, directly email me right now, nancy.nancy.com. The email title should be resume review and tell me when did you register the masterclass. For example, resume review, register masterclass on October 10th, whatever different things out there. The reason is we prioritize people registering masterclass because over there we teach you how would you use a product portfolio to land a job. Before you have your product portfolio, you must have your resume ready. So that's why we'll give you free resume review before you go into my live masterclass. So what is my live masterclass? Straightforward. Go to my website, learn how to create a killer product portfolio in 2 weeks that will land your job offer during recession, even if rejected again. This is for people who have no PM experience or with people already have experience who want to jump to the next level. Okay. So just go to my website, drnancy.com/masterclass, which looks like this. One sec. I'm gonna just share my screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. Don't send me some random email and referring to the wrong event. Okay, so this one, go to drnancy.com/masterclass, or you directly just go to drnancy.com, which is the homepage. Okay, and then which has a button leading you to this page. Whoever registered, you must tell me what day you registered. And then if you already email my team, she should already send you the Zoom link, which is why we already have 8 people here. These 8 people get priorities. Okay, but you still need to email me your link. Okay, email me your resume right now. So now I can pull it up. Date, and same thing, people who are on social, you do the same thing, email me and with the date you register, and then I pull people up. Okay, so let me also put the information on YouTube and LinkedIn. Let me also right here. Okay, so you got everything, you're ready. So let me also again the email again so people have it. Tell me the dates, and also here's my email. Only email me when I'm live, please. And when I'm not live, you need to email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. You can take screenshots, so we have both emails. Okay, nancy.nancy.com when live, and when not live, go here. Okay, now let's go to live resume review. Let me do this. Let me pull up. We only have 1 hour to go through free resume review. That's why we want to finish our prioritize the audience. Let me do this. Joseph, when did you register for Masterclass? You didn't say when. Give me a date.
I believe it was October 5th or 6th.
Okay, great, cool. Let me bring up. Everyone needs to do the right email. Okay. So I have your resume here. So Joseph, give me an overview of your background. Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, so hi, I'm Joseph Reed. I have 2 years of experience building and launching products. I spearheaded a full stack revamp of my firm's top performing e-commerce storefront. We were able to reduce downtime by 90%, improve page load speed from 14 seconds down to just 2 seconds, and beef up our site's security. The success of this project led to our firm implementing these changes on all of our other clients in just the next month. Now, I'm looking for a product manager position that will push my boundaries and where I can continue to create user-centric products that make a real difference.
Awesome. I love this. Okay, so
Thank you.
question. Are you PMA students? I see one of my students has your same last name. Is it you?
No, it isn't, but I do follow the program very closely.
Okay, cool. So let me review your resume very quickly. Can you guys see my screen? Great, cool. Okay, now let me see. Management strategy and strategy management. The two comprehensive website design and I don't see roles responsibilities as more PM focused. I like those are achievements. You need to separate achievement and your roles responsibilities in achieving your achievement. I am not seeing things regarding how you create this product. For example, conduct voice customer interviews, design go-to-market strategy, or role requirement and roadmap. Everything is not there. This is significantly missing how you achieve those achievements. Okay, you design this and how you do it, it's not clear. You need to rewrite this completely, but I do like the achievement. Okay, so this one. Deliver normal web app. This is actions, those are good. You are missing the responsibilities I was looking for. So for example, this one, we don't even need the sentence. The first one, we don't need the sentence at all. I would like to see more things like this, lead requirement, MVP. If you talk to customers, you say you have done voice of customer interviews. Running data is fine, but you should talk about, for example, rewrite this in terms of driving like product insight and propose product features by analyzing different kind of trading patterns using SQL and Python and like through data, but you achieve any kind of product feature recommendations, enhancement. Those are more product focused. What you have right now, I don't know why you put a PM title, but without talking about exactly what you did. Okay. Same thing as this. Even if it's a long time ago, I will still talk about cross-functioning is very good. If you have done anything related, let's say you run analysis, and then the analysis leading to any kind of product enhancement, you talk about like suggested product change, product roadmap changes based on ABCD data you have analyzed. So there are many different ways to talk about your PM experience. I think this is the main thing that's missing. Okay, cool. All right, so let me pull the next one. But in general, I like the layout of the job itself, the resume itself. So it's very good. I like it. So now let me move to next one. Oh, let me put on Zoom as well. Nancy at drnancylee.com. You can email me your resume and also the date you register Masterclass. Okay. So let me do this. Let me pull the next one. I received another email. Where is, hold on. Let me bring up the right, this one. Okay, let me share the right tab. Hao-Wei, cool. Let me see, 1 sec. I have one more thing. I have this. Okay, great, cool. All right, so Hao-Wei, I see your masterclass, the force.
Hi, it's me.
How are you? Can you tell me about yourself?
Very good.
Tell me something about
Sure.
yourself.
Yeah, hi, my name is Daniel, and it's Hao-Wei,
Can you
and
turn
I'm
your
the.
camera if possible? If not, it's fine. I leave it to you.
Oh, it's okay. Wait a second. Hi, can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yes. Yeah, tell me about
Yeah,
yourself.
hello. Okay, my name is Hao-Wei, and you can call me Daniel. I'm a versatile and passionate information systems graduate student. For the past 3 years, I have held multiple leadership positions, such as serving as the CEO of a startup in an entrepreneurship program. I was responsible for team coordination, product development, and UX research and design. So I have strong skills in that. My passion is to create innovative product or service through technology to help people live better. I have designed an application to enable customers to self-checkout just with their mobile in grocery stores. So it's a good experience with this strong background in computer science, entrepreneurship, and US research. I'm seeking a position with a fast-paced and US-centric company. Yeah, so that's all.
Your 30 seconds elevator pitch can be improved. Today, let's work on resume first. Let me show you.
Sure.
Using the script, yours has less impact. The impact is missing. Let me show you this one.
Okay.
To my YouTube channel. Where's my elevator pitch? This one. The third most watched YouTube video and the impact. This one. Okay, let me put in the chat. Tell me about yourself. Let me put in the chat for everybody. Yours is not showing your impact in your pitch. That should be improved. Let me put in the chat so everyone has it. Where is my how to do Zoom chat? 1 sec. Zoom chat messages. Hey, the bar is missing. So down. Yeah. Right here, put it here. Let me also put it on LinkedIn as well. And YouTube, so people has it. Awesome. Okay, so now let's do resume review.
Definitely.
It's right here. I believe it's this tab. Here, resume review. Okay, here. Now let me show you. Are you looking for PM job? Or are you looking for PM job or any job?
I'm looking for PM job and also UX engineering like this job. Yeah.
Okay, you need to have 2 different resumes for different type of jobs. Okay.
Yes.
This is for PM, right?
This is more kind of general resume. Yeah. I will separate to PM job resume and UX research kind.
It's confusing. It's confusing what you're looking for. Assuming this for PM, okay, it's for PM. I will just change professional experience, just make it experience in general and move the product management experience above this one because it's more related to PM. And then they are even your project experience are all under experience so that we don't separate professional or leadership project. These are all experience. So now what you did in Taiwan, usually we like people with entrepreneurial experience. This is great. I want you to say more regarding GTM. For example, right now, I think you have something related to roadmap. This is great. You did some MVP stuff. We want to see more strategy type of work. For example, did you do go-to-market strategy, or product strategy, design product vision? And those are important things as a CEO, which you didn't describe here. So they will definitely ask you to understand what's going on, why you don't have it. Okay, and you add those back here.
Okay.
But usually startup CEOs, you can do it. You actually did everything. It's very similar to PM, but you need to write it here.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, let me see your past experience here. Here's the interview, prototype. I prefer
Mhm.
only this one's rated PM. Okay, this one, and I prefer you use other things. For example, when you create gather feedback, right? So this is a voice of customer interview, and this need to be rewritten. If we create user journey map, you can talk about create end-to-end customer journey map to drive user adoptions and revenue growth and things like this. You can say your price, but you're missing other stuff. You're missing lots of stuff. I would save space. Deleting this one is not as important.
Yeah.
At least admin intern, I don't think it has anything to do with PM. But you use the space to talk more regarding things related to PM. For example, design, create MVP and create a mockup to receive customer impact, customer feedback, and know and create and leading to what different kind of product roadmap enhancement, and those are missing. Okay, and
Okay.
now I will also want to put all the skills down below, and you only talk about experience. And here, I will put skills down below, and you can keep education up front if you want to.
So I can merge to the job, the project and experience merge together and put on the upside.
Yeah, move it higher. Yeah, they're all
Okay.
experiences anyway. Cool.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
great.
you.
No problem. Let me see next one. Based on sequence. Pankti, we reviewed your resume before, right?
Yeah, so we had the basic idea about the resume, but we did not go through the changed resume for me.
Okay, let me see. You're one of our students in PMAs, and then people can see what the right resume should look like, part of our program. Okay, so let's see. Technical product manager. What have you changed since last time we talked?
So since the last time, there were some pointers which was at the top, like collaborated with developers, which you asked me to bring it down, and more pointers like conducted voice of customer interview and stuff like that to bring up, because that is more makes more sense to a recruiter.
Yeah. Cool. Product requirement, documentation, A/B testing, and implementation. Great. We have one-page resume. This is great. Some of this. This is not necessary, but if you have it, no problem, because you have space. If you run out of space, I will delete this one. It's just not necessary. But you do have everything. But if you have done anything regarding GTM, I'm going to replace this one with GTM sentence. Okay, but you have different roadmap, user stories, A/B testing, KPIs. The rest is great. I just want to see more strategy work, right? In terms of GTM, go-to-market strategy or product strategy. And if you can write one sentence, replace this one with strategy work, it will be fine. Okay, so now you ask the do not highlight the tools. Doesn't matter the tools you use. whatever data queries, unless the job asks you to use those tools, you can highlight for those. We don't need to highlight this, it's distracting.
Okay.
Come in the roadmap, you have another roadmap, solving complex. Again, strategy. I want to see more strategy. One more sentence about strategy. City, like the team of so many people, IT direction, which is data funding. Again, why you bold the wrong thing? I wouldn't bold this one, visualization, and I would rather to use like, I would rather bold IoT. I think you bold the wrong thing. I think you bold the wrong thing and stakeholder presentation coming in against workflow, wireframe, the rest is good. So you can do not bold at all. If you bold, you have to bold the right keywords, or just don't bold. Because if you bold, we just only read the keywords, okay, high level, right? So like, who cares about intuitive website? Is no, I'd rather bold IoT and stuff. Okay, the rest. The rest is good. Okay.
And the product skills that I have added, do you think I should add anything more to that?
Again, GTM, all the strategies you're missing. You're missing all the strategies. The rest is good.
Got you. Okay.
You're just only missing strategies, but it's good. You're very close.
Can we practice a 30-second elevator pitch?
Yes. Tell me a pitch.
So hello, my name is Pankti, and I have 3 years of experience developing and launching technology products in automation space. At Bell Canada, which is the largest telecommunication company in Canada, I was a product lead where I led a team of 8 to launch Bell TV's first enterprise multi-channel automation platform that is a one-stop shop where user can manage all their channels and services. This improved 85% of the video delivery time and enhanced operational efficiency by 50%. I was also a team lead at a startup company where I launched an award-winning IoT-based product that detected harmful gases in atmosphere. This received the Best Innovation Award for the Best Product Development Initiative taken towards environment by Surat Municipal Corporation. Currently, I'm looking for a TPM or a PM role in your company within automation team to create amazing products that impact day-to-day life of customers while contributing towards company's objective.
Very good. Okay. Only one thing change. You said whatever channels called TV channels. All the channels you say TV channels.
Okay.
Channels means different things to different people. You know, say whatever channel optimization, multi-channel optimization. I was so confused. Say multi TV channel optimization. Ah, okay, immediately. So anytime you say channel, you say TV channel. The rest is good. Very good. I like it. By the way, I think the existing resume you show me is good enough for meta RPM. Even you don't have the strategy, because for RPM, you don't like the less requirement for strategy work. They're more analytics based. So which you already need the qualification for what they have. Okay, good. Cool. All right, good job. Good job. Now let me go to the next one. Hold on. Let me hold on. Let me pick people who is on the call. First, because you're already in the call. Ellie, is Ellie in the call? On the call right now? On Zoom? No. Let me pick someone on the call first. Sanjay, let me see if I have your resume or not. One sec. Oh, I have yours. I think I have yours. Okay, Sanjay, I got you. Let me go through yours first. Okay, Sanjay, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, let me just put myself on video. There we go. Yeah, so hi everyone. Hi, Nancy. So I'm Sanjay Dugall. I'm a seasoned product owner with an extensive background spanning regulatory compliance, financial software development, and agile project management. So at Service Credit Union, where I currently work, I took the helm of launching a customer-centric dashboard that improved our frontline staff's ability to handle credit card inquiries. Through cross-functional collaboration, we saw a 20% drop in resolution times and elevated our first call resolution by 15%. The dashboard wasn't just about tech, it was a strategic move towards a more efficient customer-first approach, and that is a blend of tech and strategy that I strive on. My proudest professional moment would be integration of 8 crucial regulatory compliance features into our anti-money laundering software. Under my leadership, our team not only ensured ongoing compliance, but saved the company $500,000 in potential costs. That wasn't just a matter of knowing regulation, it was about translating them into actionable, efficient, and impactful product features. What truly excites me about product management is the intersection of technology, user needs, and business strategy. I've also honed my skills at prestigious institutions like the Colleagues School of Management, ensuring that I stay at the forefront of product strategy. What excites me the most about the future of product management is the rise of Web3 products. To that end, I proactively equipped myself in a course in blockchain product management, where I delved deeper into designing blockchain-powered features. This course was led by the director of MasterCard, who taught me the nuances of centralized technologies and shaped my understanding of how to release impactful Web3 products in a rapidly evolving landscape. I'm here today not just as a candidate, but as someone passionate about creating products that bridge user needs with business goals. I'm eager to bring my unique blend of compliance understanding, product innovation, and strategic leadership.
I like it, but it's too long. Okay, we don't have time to review the pitch today. You check my YouTube channel, we will see the condensed version. What would you say? The reason is, Sanjay, you already have many years experience. You're not competing with Pankti, she has 3 years experience. You're competing with me. Okay, my pitch is shorter, more concise, and also more impactful. So it's the tier, the requirement is different. So therefore, I want you to make it shorter and more concise and sharp. But we don't have time to go through today. Let's focus on your resume. Let me do this. I see that 2 pages resume. Good job. For people with many years experience, 2 pages should be plenty. 2 is good. So you have, so basically 2 projects, one under one company. I see.
That's right, correct.
Your pitch and your resume doesn't align. That's a problem. Your pitch sounds like you have lots of years experience. Your resume doesn't reflect that. That's the biggest problem. So you are a product owner with 2 years experience who wants to become a product manager to upgrade your career.
Yeah, a lot of my experiences in the AML regulatory landscape.
Yeah. You're more compliance, but your real product experience is 2 years, but your pitch makes it sound different. It doesn't align. That's a problem. Okay. And that will just lead to discrepancy regarding what's going on. Like Pankti's pitch and also her resume matches very well. I don't know why is, so let's assume, just ignore your pitch, it confused me. Let's just assume this is a PM job resume. Collaboration is fine. This is fine. In-depth user research. I will change it to voice of customer interview. And this sentence is too long. 4 lines. We need to cut it much shorter. For example, you can say conduct a voice customer interview. 2, understand whatever requirement. Offline. 2, understand outline whatever ABCD requirements. Create user, or you split into half. This is second bullet point. User stories and acceptance criteria can make into a separate bullet point, and then that's more clear. The first one is voice of customer interview. The second one is create user stories, acceptance criteria, and things like this. And then doing collaboration. This is fine, and another project. I personally like to combine 2 projects into one. Only talk about, you can talk about the impact for each of those achievements for each of project. Basically, you launch 2. And then after you talk about the impact of each product, I would just directly go into what exactly your roles responsibilities. Because right here, the first one is well written. Now your second one doesn't have everything we're looking for PM, such as you have lots of, this is a program manager job. Basically, your description for second one sounds like program manager job, doesn't have everything we're looking for the first one. I'd rather you don't separate these 2, you just make them as achievements. So tell them that you launch 2 different products with this impact for product number 1, this impact for product number 2, and use more PM driven methodology instead of making this one like program management role. Now, for this one, and same thing, if you have done lots of things regarding compliance, I would directly, I will emphasize less about compliance. I will talk more regarding understand the needs and desire of end users. In this case, could be whatever compliance, like the government or compliance officer in different departments, and then turn them into the right product features and roadmap that leading them to follow the compliance, something like that. I'll rewrite your experience differently, and that's in general what's going on with the entire. I think something is this inconsistency with your packaging. That's the biggest problem. And then this is a program manager type of style. Let's focus more on product management type of style. So when you repackage your past experience, okay, or people just feel like this just like talking about different things. That's the biggest confusion I had. Okay, cool. Let me ping someone else who is Google Pixel 7 on my Zoom. Please change your real name or I'm gonna remove you. So who else is here? Sanjay, Tony, and Cindy. I will give this person Google Pixel 7. I give you 1 minute to change your name or you'll be removed. Okay, so let me see. Tony, I don't see your resume. Oh, Cindy, I saw yours. Let me bring up yours. Cool. Let me do this. Master of Science, school, graduating next year. AI product solution architect intern. Hold on. Let me read the whole thing. Why is so much irrelevant information? Okay, significantly, here's what you do. Okay, Cindy. This has nothing to do with product. Can you delete this?
Yeah,
And
for
many-
sure.
You have many product management internship experience, but you didn't write it well. It's just missing. Revamp roadmap, agile team. Can you talk more regarding doing customer interviews? Assuming you're a product manager, you should have done customer interviews, understand insight, turn them into engineering facing requirement. All of this are missing. You are wasting lots of time and space talking about, you have done so much, right? But nothing on your resume is having a full scope of what product managers is doing. So that's a red flags. And to be frank, another red flag is the combination of whole packaging is very off. You did everything in China. You're looking for a job in the US. Now people are, oh, she did something in China, but everything is not complete. It's just not like 2 sentences saying what she did. It's a real or fake. Seriously, people in China, just their parents, just, oh, let me call my friends and get them, they'll get some internship. This happens many times. People even buy internship doing only did 2 things, only had 2 lines, what she did there, you know. So seriously, that's behind the scenes, what's going on. They don't tell you. Just, they're thinking about this way. Okay, so, and this is irrelevant, and take the space out and then spend more time talking about what exactly you did. Okay,
Okay.
everything you did in China will get discounted back in the US.
Okay,
That's a
so
different ratio.
so essentially, should I just delete like the extracurriculars and then only write like product management experience and then explain every bullet point to like 3 or 4 or even like 2 lines, stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so now let me pin the next one. Toyin, I didn't see your resume in my inbox. You're not getting resume review, am I right? I don't want to miss you because you're on my Zoom link. And
I sent in my resume to you twice now.
you send it or not send?
Sent.
Is your email, your name on your email is Toyin?
Yeah,
When did you send? Right now? During the
right
live?
now. Yeah, right now.
Maybe in my spam folder.
The name on my CV, my resume is Oluwatoyin.
Why don't you put your email in the Zoom chat right now? Let me search. Okay, let me do a live search. I don't see it. Okay. Oh, that's a very different name. I found it. You put a different name. Your Zoom name and this name are different.
Wow.
It's very different. Right here. Okay.
Yes.
Da 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 da. Finance specialist. You have different problems and bigger problems to do. Okay, number 1 thing, you need a product portfolio. You need to create a product portfolio and make it the top of your experience, because what you did in the past is not product focused at all. It is how you write your resume. And second, you need to learn product management end-to-end first before you can make sense of how much your past experience can become a PM. I have a CPA is become a PM, literally. Other arts, people doing art become PM. Like any different types of people become a PM. And then they can talk about the past experience that's transferable to PM in their own terms because they know what is PM first. Right now, I don't think you know what does PM doing in real life day to day, not just like watching 15 minutes video to make it fun. PM doing this, there's some YouTubers like day in life of product manager. That's not enough. Okay, you need to do like in-depth understanding of what is product manager and what is product management, what does product manager do, how to write requirements, different things. What is go-to-market strategy? What does this even mean? What is product vision? Okay, you need to learn those first, and then you know how much of past experience related to PM, and then you can rewrite your resume completely. This resume cannot land a PM job at all. Okay, and then you also need to create a product portfolio that's related to your past experience. So you master those experience first before you can write anything. Lots of my students, they transition into PM because they know what it's about before they can start repackaging. You're missing the foundation. There's no way we can repackage for you because you don't even understand it. Okay. Now, let me go to next one. Shibi, have you sent me a resume? Or use a different name. If so, use a name.
Yep.
Where is it? You use Shibi as a name? I don't see it.
It's either Shibi or Ziwei.
Put your email in the Zoom chat. I couldn't find it. Now let me search it.
Okay.
Without following the instructions. Let me at the same time, when you find your email, let me show instructions. So for people who ran late, right here. So here is an instruction. Here's the instruction. So here is how to get free live resume review and join me on Zoom or LinkedIn as well. We go through Zoom people first before we go through others. Okay. So when I'm not live, go to info@pmaccelerator.io. When I'm live, email me this one, nancy@drnancy.com, so that I can pull up your resume. And then we prioritize people who already registered for Masterclass. You just need to, what is Masterclass? Is this one, okay, which is also on my website. And in your email, you must tell me when did you register for your Masterclass, and email title should be free resume review, register Masterclass on October 3rd, October 10th, whatever you want to say. Okay, the reason is our Masterclass teach you product portfolio, how to write and what tools to use, what element goes into product portfolio. But before you come in, we want you to have your resume ready. That's why we offer free resume review for our Masterclass attendees. So that's why it's very important. You tell me when do you do this. Of course, whenever we have extra time, we review it for other people who is with me live on different social channels. Okay, but everyone can email me, but I need to make it very clear. To follow the instructions, so I'm pull up the right email address. And who else is here today was because some of you guys, whoever already attended Masterclass, will send you an email address with my team. My team give you the Zoom link. That's why I can see that 8 people with me on Zoom today. Okay, so this is Masterclass. You can go to drnancy.com /Masterclass, or you go to drnancy.com. Okay, homepage drnancy.com. Right here. And then you can click the first button, go to the next one. Now let me, stop sharing. Let me pull up your resume, 1 sec. I don't see it. You put your email, and what's your email? Let me search. Shibi, let me search. Why I don't get that? Maybe it's spam. Nope. Let me show you why. Okay. Search. Doesn't exist in my inbox. Do you send me email with spam? With give me wrong email? I don't know. So time is very tight. Let me move on to next one. Okay. I searched doesn't exist. I don't know. Okay. So let me do. So we review everyone on Zoom. I believe we got everyone on Zoom. So let me go through people who submit through social. Based on time sequence. Oh, Ellie, you register for our masterclass today, October 11th. Perfect. Let me review this before we come to our masterclass. You have everything. Right here. Okay, so I move this towards the end. Scale certification move towards the end. It's not as important as you will experience. Digital marketing intern. Are you looking for PM job? For management intern. Redesign. Is it PM intern or marketing intern? Sounds like marketing intern. The roles responsibility is marketing intern. The title is PM intern. I think something very wrong. And you did everything in China, which is also a red flag. You went to such a great school in the US and you did everything in China. I will focus on getting a job here in the US. Even startup is better than what you did back in China, to be frank. Okay. So here's the problem. Why you do marketing? I'm so confused about this resume. So you do marketing communication. So you did something in marketing intern. Okay, so if you did marketing intern, it's okay. But usually when people do marketing, they were going to do value proposition of your product, understand the customer segmentation of your users, and create the go-to-market strategy for your product to hit more customers, right? So that's as a marketing intern, you should have written the examples I just gave you on your resume instead of telling me something that's SEO and the stuff. I don't want to see this. A/B testing is good, but you have done other things related to PM, but you didn't put it on your resume. So therefore, it's okay, you do digital marketing, whatever, but the parts you talk about GTM, different things, is missing significantly because it sounds like you have done that, but you didn't write it on your resume. So kill some of these and adding the keywords and responsibilities as I said earlier, but something you do well, which is A/B testing. Okay, so now the biggest problem was what you did here is you did internship in China and then description is off. You PM internship in China. Oh, that's what people do in China. So PM internship will do like cross-functionally, that's fine. And you launch something, which is, it sounds like so much. This is so marketing. And I would say it differently, create a go-to-market strategy and product vision to reach 50% more customers, You can write it different way. Okay, so this is just, and again, do SEO again as a product manager intern, which is completely very off, at least in the US. We don't know what people doing in China, but it looks like, oh, this is what Chinese people do in China and call themselves PM. You're definitely damaging the entire like reputation of what real PM is doing. Okay, so same thing, change everything. The rest is same thing. It's just you're putting all marketing stuff and calling the PM. So here's what I recommend everyone to do. Okay, looks like people are missing the foundation. What's product management? What keywords to focus on? you need to learn what is the PM first. So go to my YouTube channel right now, okay? There are entry-level product management courses. Right here, we talk about different entry-level skills, how to become PM with no experience, like different things, tools you can use, create product portfolio, different things regarding PM skills you need to have, differences between like what does PM do, differences between product owner, product managers, everything's here. Watch this playlist and understand the basics before you just randomly put something on your resume that's irrelevant. Okay, cool. Let me put the next one. Alexandro. Again, your email didn't follow the information shared with you earlier. I want to hear when did you register for masterclass, because prioritize these people. We have extra time, more than happy to review your resume, okay? Nat V, you registered for 2 days from now. Let me read your resume. Okay, Nat V, let me do this quickly. Navi, you said data-driven product SME, and then technical product manager, data product. Kind of weird. This resume needs to be rewritten. Why on earth is there's no year? Which year? Which September 21? Oh, that means that. Oh, can you do 2027, 2029? The year is all mixed by dates. So weird. Okay, change how you write year out there. And so now this resume needs to be completely rewritten, and it's so awkward. Technical product manager and your lead data PM. Great title. Wow, what you did down below doesn't match your title as whatever lead PM, different things. What you should have written is, if a lead PM, where's the product strategy? I don't see product strategy. You talked about this increased revenue, it's fine, but you're missing lots of important product strategies, go-to-market strategy, and you did in the past a managed relationship with these people, such a program manager work. Yeah, this can be rewritten completely. So it doesn't, except the title is product, down below it sounds like program manager. Is this comprehensive product strategy, conduct market research, product strategy, initiate, flagship, is the way how you wrote is so wrong. You should have separate bullet point regarding creative product strategy of ABCD product to enhance ABCD things, achieve ABCD like achievement. Okay. Just the structure of your content is very awkward. Okay, please rewrite your resume based on what I said earlier. Show all your important keywords, what the real lead PM is doing, and remove other things that like looks like program manager stuff. Okay, cool. Let me go to the next one. Richuja, same thing. Your email doesn't even have a title, and you didn't follow the requirement when I asked you send me email. So Same thing as Redos Tina. You didn't follow the examples I asked you either. Okay, great. Cool. I believe I reviewed all the resumes who sent it to me ahead of time. Cool. I think it's Joe. Joe, are you inside of PMA? If you are inside of PMA, I believe you used the wrong link to join my Zoom link. Okay, so you should directly, if you're already, I think you're already my students, you can directly reach out to us to one-on-one resume review with our resume writer directly, especially you use the wrong link. So you're not on my Zoom call right now, even if I got your email. Okay, that's what's going on. Cool. Let me answer some quick questions on social. Cool. And we reviewed all the resumes, pre-selected all the resumes. Except people who didn't have an email title when they email me that resume. That's very rude. Okay. Refuse review those emails. Srisha, thank you for session. It's very informative. Great. Thank you. There's a question. Anil Meet. I have 0 work experience in product management. I've taken some certification courses, product management. Hopefully I can get an entry level real soon for at least a start. Getting certification is definitely not enough. You must build a product portfolio. Certification, yeah. You can pay a cheap certification. Certification means nothing, seriously. There's like, well, what is the company like $300? You can do a video course and give you certification. Really. Watching a video course make you qualify for PM. They're gonna test your real life experience to tell you, okay, so tell me, how did you write requirement? What's the 5 different kind of requirements? What are the differences? You don't even know the basics. Okay, so build a product portfolio to demonstrate you do have the skills. That's the best way to do it. So now in my masterclass, I tell people we have more how to write your product. How to build your product portfolio. Let me share it here. I believe, am I sharing this? Yes. So here, go to darknancylee.com, go to my homepage and /masterclass, or you directly go to darknancylee.com, and there's a button take you to this link where we talk more regarding product portfolio. You must master all the skills before you even become PM so that you're not getting fired. I'm serious. Okay. Cool. Let me see on YouTube. Nadine, go for 2023. Land a PM job, a great product company where your own end-to-end product lines. This is great. This is great. Sarah. Ellie, yes, I got your email already. Xiaoyan, I didn't see. Are you on our Zoom link? I think you used the wrong Zoom link, by the way. And Nandini, where can you, when you say constructive, would you like to be restructure resume? How would you like me to restructure? I showed you examples already. Okay, your resume has like lead PM titles, different things, but you don't talk about what lead PM need to be doing. You sounds like program manager. Talk about you launched something, but didn't talk about what exactly you did, such as like create go-to-market strategy to grow the revenue from $1,000 to $1 billion, something like that. So how you talk about it is very different. Okay. Cool. Okay, great. So we finished all the links of the resume review. Awesome. And answer all the questions in the social chat. Awesome. Okay, great, guys. Gonna see you next time. Make sure to, you find this review very helpful, make sure to like this video and also share this video with any aspiring product manager. We have lots of free training on our YouTube video as well. Awesome. And make sure to tag me when you share, and looking forward to see all of you guys in my live masterclass coming up. And also everybody, best of luck with the upcoming interviews. I know right now it's the primary recruiting season. Google just opened their APM applications 2 days ago. So everyone needs to be fast applying for those jobs because the opportunity literally run out very quickly. Okay, awesome. Nice meeting you guys. Gonna see you in my next live. Like and share this video with others. Great. Talk soon. See you guys. Bye.